Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great and you are improving your English speaking skills. So, today I'm going to share with you three ways to practice your English speaking skills. So, first, if you are a beginner, you should start with the shadowing practice. If you are a beginner, you should start with the shadowing practice. I think um, it's I think as a beginner, uh, you uh, as a beginner you may not know to speak a single sentence. You may not able to speak single sentence. So you just have to watch cartoon videos or basic conversation videos and watch carefully and after watch carefully after and watch the video carefully and hear after that and repeat after that. So shadowing helps you to improve your pronunciation and your speaking. And second, talk to yourself in front of the mirror. You can talk about anything. You can talk about your daily routine, or you can talk about your dreams. So, talking in front of the mirror helps you to notice yourself, and it's helped you to build your confidence. And third is record yourself for record yourself for 3 to 5 minutes while speaking in English, and watch your video again, so you can observe your body language, your speaking, how you are speaking, and in that video. After that, you just have to write it down. Watch your video and write it down what you said in video, and go to the chat GPT and write it down and write it all on ChatGPT, and ask the ChatGPT if there is any mistakes in my sentences. Please correct them, and tell me where is the mistakes and how can I improve it. So ChatGPT uh, so ChatGPT helps you, and it will write down all the your mistakes, and it's still ChatGPT describe all your tell you all the mistakes, and write it in a correct way and tell you where you are making the mistakes. And I think these techniques are very helpful if you want to improve your English speaking skills, because um, you if you are making a mistakes, you have to find your mistakes if you want to improve. So y- if you don't have any partner or anyone to correct your mistakes, ChatGPT will help us. I think the most supportive and uh, supportive partner that you have is ChatGPT. So go to the ChatGPT and ask the ChatGPT to tell about your mistakes and your mistakes, where you are making your mistakes, and tell you where you are making a mistakes, and ask how you can improve your speaking skills. So ChatGPT will help you to improve your English speaking skills. I think these techniques are very useful. If you do that, you will see the difference after applying these techniques. So this is the easiest way. Shadowing practice is that you don't need to put an effort. Like you just have to copy what you see, what you hear in the video. You just have to repeat that like a child do. A child learn a language without putting in an effort. He or she just copy. If a girl or a boy, anyone, any child, if you see, they just copy to their parents, to their surrounding, what they heard, what they hear or listen. So you just have to do that. So studying is the best technique for the beginners who wants to improve their speaking skills, who wants to speak in English. So these are the easiest techniques, and I think it's helped a lot, and I think most of the people do the shadowing practice. Shadowing is like, it's very important now. Everyone talk about the shadowing practice because it is easy to do and it is very beneficial. That's all. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe.